Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to transfer Pi to OKX wallet. So this is going to be a full guide. Make sure you watch it till the end to learn everything about this. First of all, open the OKX wallet on your mobile phone. Then you will see this interface. We'll have to click on the receive icon. Now search for Pi. Now click on Pi network. This is going to show you the Pi network code. You'll have to just click on the copy button here and your Pi network's code will be copied to your clipboard. Now you'll have to go back, open the Pi browser, then simply navigate to wallet. So click on the wallet icon here, click on unlock with fingerprint or passphrase, simply open your Pi wallet. Now you'll be on this page. You'll have to just click on the pay or request option available. Now choose manually add wallet address, that is plus icon. Paste your address that you just copied in this section and enter the amount of Pi in the section here. Now click on send button. After you click on send, you'll have to simply click on the confirm icon just right here. It will ask you, do you recognize this pioneer? Click on confirm and you would have successfully transferred your Pi to OKX wallet. So that is the simple way through which you can transfer Pi to OKX wallet. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.